The KTM 125 Duke 2025 is a motorcycle designed to deliver exceptional performance, stylish looks, and cutting-edge technology, all while catering to both beginners and experienced riders. With its sharp and aggressive design, the new model captures attention instantly, boasting a bold and aerodynamic profile that reflects KTM's signature, ready-to-race, philosophy. The attention to detail in its construction is evident, from the sharp LED headlamp and taillight to the redesigned bodywork that enhances both aesthetics and functionality. At the heart of the KTM 125 Duke 2025 lies a refined 124.9cc single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine, delivering smooth and responsive power. The engine has been optimized for fuel efficiency and performance, making it an ideal choice for urban commutes and weekend rides. Paired with a precise 6-speed gearbox, it offers a seamless riding experience, with enough torque and power to thrill without overwhelming newer riders. The updated engine complies with the latest emission standards, ensuring that performance is eco-friendly and future-proof. The lightweight steel trellis frame provides the Duke with exceptional handling and agility. Whether weaving through city traffic or carving through twisty roads, the 125 Duke inspires confidence with its stability and responsiveness. Its suspension setup, featuring WP Apex upside-down front forks and a rear monoshock, delivers a perfect balance of comfort and control, ensuring a smooth ride on various terrains. High-performance brakes with dual-channel ABS provide reliable stopping power and safety, especially for those still mastering advanced riding techniques. In terms of technology, the KTM 125 Duke 2025 takes a step forward with its full-color TFT display, offering a wealth of information at a glance. Riders can monitor speed, RPM, fuel level, and more, with the added convenience of smartphone connectivity for turn-by-turn navigation and music control. The bike's ergonomic design ensures a comfortable riding position, with adjustable handlebars and a well-padded seat catering to long rides and short commutes alike. The redesigned fuel tank not only enhances the bike's aggressive styling but also offers increased capacity for longer journeys. Customization options make the KTM 125 Duke 2025 even more appealing. With a wide range of official KTM power parts and accessories, riders can personalize their bike to suit their style and riding preferences. From crash protection to performance upgrades, there's something for everyone, allowing for a truly unique riding experience. The KTM 125 Duke 2025 remains an outstanding entry in the lightweight performance category, offering a combination of advanced features, thrilling performance, and a distinctive design. It's a bike that stands out not only for its looks but also for the unmatched riding experience it provides. For those looking to step into the world of motorcycling or seeking a capable machine for daily use and occasional thrills, the KTM 125 Duke 2025 is a choice that promises to exceed expectations.